Hello from Niagara Falls. Welcome to the most iconic and world's natural wonder, Niagara Falls. I'm so excited to be here because Niagara Falls has been a top bucket list destination for me for a long time. So finally I'm here and I will take you throughout the trip of majestic Niagara Falls. So come along. Niagara Falls isn't just one waterfalls. It's a group of three separate waterfalls and it's located between Canada and USA border. Millions of visitors travel from around the globe to see the spectacular beauty of Niagara Falls every year. We are visiting from New York, USA side. We can even look right into the Canada side standing on USA. What you are seeing right now, it's all Canada side view. So first let's heading towards mighty Horseshoe Falls. As I mentioned earlier, Niagara Falls made up of three separate waterfalls. American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls and Horseshoe Falls, also called as Canadian Falls. Now we are here at Horseshoe Falls. It looks like an arc shape and it is the largest among all the three waterfalls. 90% of the Niagara River flows over Horseshoe Falls and remaining 10% water flows over American and Bridal Veil Falls. 675,000 gallons of water flows over Horseshoe Falls per second from 167 feet height. And there you can see Rainbow Bridge which connect the cities of Niagara Falls, USA and Niagara Falls, Canada. We can cross the bridge by walk if we have the Canadian visa. Now we're gonna head back towards Goat Island and from there let's explore American Falls and Bridal Veil Falls. One of the top thing that we must do at Niagara Falls is Cave of the Winds adventure. Yes, Cave of the Winds tour gives us a thunderous experience like no other. To experience this unique attraction, we have to buy the tickets at the Cave of the Winds Plaza on Goat Island. And this tour will take us up closer to the base of the Bridal Veil Falls. Before experiencing Cave of the Winds journey, a short movie played at the museum and it's about history of Niagara Falls and Nikola Tesla and Thomas Edison, who was an electrical engineer, struggled to develop a system of hydroelectric power plant in Niagara Falls.
Remember, the world changed here.
After witnessing of this incredible story, we have to take an elevator about 175 feet down into the Niagara Gorge, then walk through a short tunnel and get our ponchos. Now it's time to get wet and get close to the Bridal Veil Falls. Cave of the Winds is not an actual cave. There was a rock in cave structure in 80s and then the rock collapsed in the early 90s, but still the name stuck. So today the attraction is now made with wooden walkways that we can walk to get close to the Bridal Veil Falls. These wooden decks are actually removed and rebuilt every year to avoid damage from ice formation during the winter. We can able to see Canada side and Maidofthemist boat from here. Now get ready for the amazing view of rainbow. Bridal Veil Falls is the smallest and cutest among all the three waterfalls, and it's located right next to the American Falls. From here is where we actually start to get really wet. Steps are very slippery here. Make sure to bring a good pair of shoes when you plan to Niagara Falls. This is so thrilling moment getting drenched with high speed of waterfalls. Feels really amazing seeing one side of clear skies and other side a beautiful waterfalls pounding 60,000 gallons of water per second. And another must-do adventure at Niagara Falls is Maidofthemist boat tour. Yes, surely this will be the highlights of the trip. Maidofthemist tour experience will be like once in a lifetime. Once we get our tickets at observation deck, we will have to walk towards observation tower. Spending a little time on the observation tower and see the amazing view of American Falls. And it's a perfect place to take a beautiful picture with the Niagara Falls. The boat will take us about 15 to 20 minutes ride up close to the American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls and Horseshoe Falls. Maidofthemist journey starts from the elevator that will take us down to the base of the observation tower and then collect our tickets and rain ponchos. Now it's time onboarding to the Maidofthemist. We feel the mist of the Niagara Falls from the moment we step onto the boat. Here we are right in front of the American and Bridal Veil Falls. It's really unforgettable experience feeling the power of the falls and looking the spectacular view from the boat. When we get closer to the Horseshoe Falls, we're gonna completely get drenched by the splash of the rushing waterfalls, and the wind causes our ponchos and hair to fly around, and all the visitors screams very loudly in excitement. Truly, the Maidofthemist boat tour experience is just beyond the words. After a few minutes, the boat starts to make its way back to the starting point. The Maidofthemist ride is totally worth and best way to truly appreciate the magnificence of Niagara Falls. Now let's explore Luna Island. Actually, we can see the Niagara Falls in different perspective, and it's really beautiful and breathtaking view of Niagara from the Luna Island. And Luna Island is one of the best overlook spot to see the magnificent Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is very impressive and stunning at daytime, but at night it is so vibrant and colorful when it's light up. Yes, when sun goes down, we can enjoy the most unique nighttime illumination of the falls. And also watching fireworks over Niagara Falls can be a truly magical experience. And Niagara Scenic Trolley is the best way to see the Niagara Falls State Park. It stops at several attractions and gives us a historic overview experience.
Ready? Let's go. Ready? Let's go.